Hello and welcome to our last set of Jigsaw sentences for Unit 5. So let's look at the sentence structures for Jigsaw sentences number 8. And as for all our lessons, the focus has been on the vocabulary, the words that we use. So let's see what words we'll come across in today's lesson. Our first word, owl. An owl is a bird. It sleeps in the day and wakes up at night. It has very big eyes to see at night. I'm sure you know this word already, but let's practice saying it. The way we get good at English is practice, practice, practice. Now, let's go. Owl. Owl. Make sure we can hear that little sound at the end. Owl. All right, let's keep going. Our next word is hoots. The word hoot is the sound an owl makes. Hooty hoo! The owl hoots at night. So the word hoots helps us to spell it, because normally the sound an owl makes can be a little bit different from owl to owl, but it almost sounds like hoo, hoo. But when we write it in English, we spell it H-O-O-T. The owl hoots at night. Let's practice. Hoots. Hoots. Let's practice the sentence. The owl hoots at night. Good practice. Let's keep going. The next word rhymes with our last word, and it sounds almost the same. Boots. Just be careful the sounds. It's a H sound for hoots or a B sound for boots. A boot is a type of shoe. Boots is the plural form of the word. One boot, two boots. There are many different types of boots. If we look at picture number 1, you can see rain boots. And picture number 2 is hiking boots. Hiking boots are used for walking in the mountains. They are very strong. Rain boots are used to protect our feet from getting wet. Practice saying the word with me. Boots. Boots. Remember, I want to hear the S at the end. Boots. Good work. Let's keep going. The next word we have for today, wear. To wear is to have something on your body as clothing or protection. And we have 2 examples here. Number 1, we've heard it a lot lately. Always wear your mask. It means to put your mask on your face. Or our example number 2, wear your boots when it rains. Then we know we need to put the boots on our feet. It means to wear. Let's practice saying it out loud. Wear. Wear. Let's try it in the sentence. Wear your boots when it rains. All right, let's keep going. The next word we have for today is soon. Soon is a word we use to describe time. Soon, in or after a short time. It can be a short time in minutes. It can even be a short time in days. For example, today, we will finish our lesson soon. It means that we will end the lesson in a short time. Let's practice saying it out loud. Soon. Soon. Let's try it in the sentence. We will finish our lesson soon. Excellent. Let's have a look at the last word for today. Our final word for today, coming. The word coming is talking about an arrival. So sometimes we'll hear people say, the new movie will be coming soon to our mall, which means it will come to our mall soon, in a short time. And again, it means it's arriving. It's not here yet, but it's on its way. Another example, the new baby is coming home soon, which means the baby is on its way home in a short time. Let's practice saying it out loud. 2 syllables, coming, coming. A little bit faster, coming. Let's try it in a sentence. The new baby is coming home soon. Very good. Thank you for watching. Good luck and have fun. Alright, boys and girls, that brings us to the end of our first lesson for today. If you're still struggling with some of the words, please rewind the video, listen carefully, and practice saying the words until you get it right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.